Hi guys, he's tall. I wasn't even, not even, like, before I just got into the game, not even 10 seconds later I get into the game, there are people doing burnouts. What? Okay, you know what, let's get in our truck, our big old SS, and we'll join. I'm lagging a little bit. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, that's a pull. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Perfect. Alright. Welcome to the video, everybody. Oh, we're drifting. We are drifting the heck out of this cat eye. But yeah, so welcome to the video, everybody. I am your host, Trackmaster, and who the heck just jumped? It is craziness over here in Greenville, apparently. So, yeah, welcome to the video. Welcome to my craziness every time I jump into a game. Okay, so let's go claim a house. So we have an RP house, roleplay. This is what it's known to be like as dead. Oh! Yeah, we'll get this house. Why not? It kind of looks like Silas's house. Not gonna lie. Well, it is Silas's house, only it's not over there. And if you don't know who Silas is, it's a friend of a YouTuber I watch. His name is Block Wheels, so yeah. Go to his channel and show him some love, I guess. You know, say, oh, tell him that I sent you guys. It's just Block Wheels, B-L-O-X, block, and then put S, and then put wheels. Or just voice to it, I don't care. And then, you know, go subscribe to him, give him a like, put in the comment of one of his recent videos and say, oh, this YouTuber Trackmaster sent me over here. You'll like his videos better than mine. He does his stuff way more funnier. I'm about to do a street takeover. Street takeover. Look at that. Let's get some gas. Alright, let's get over here. I'm about to do a truck meet too. I'm gonna put in the chat truck or cart. I'm gonna put truck. You know what? I'll just put vehicle meet. Vehicle meet, bring anything that you drive. In this game, I would say I'm pretty rich. I mean, I got $88,000. Oh, it's BMW. We'll park like this. Nice, bro. Get some screenshots. There's a screenshot for the video. Alright. Yeah, that's a screenshot for the video. Perfect. Wait a minute. Oh, wait. Can I get up there somehow? Please tell me I can get up there. Oh, I can't. That'd be sick as crap, though. Alright, guys, I'm gonna have to use my, microphone, so I will be right back. Truck meet at gas station by Twist. So, there it is. You can see it right there. Truck meet at gas station by Twist. Bring anything you drive. I'll be right back. Bring a SUV car? I don't care. I really don't. I just want to get a car meet for the video. If not, I'll probably just go do some criminal stuff. This might just have to be a criminal video. Who knows? What is that? Who would put a spoiler on a truck? I never noticed that before. That's stupid. Who would put a spoiler on a truck? Ooh, someone brought their BMW. Ooh, nice. Nice car, man. Nice, bro. That thing looks beautiful. Thanks. I'm gonna have to ask him, are you subscribed to my YouTube channel? That's mostly how I get some subscribers, so I just ask people. Amazing. Thanks. Yeah. Should I ask him? Be like, yo, are you subscribed to the channel? Alright. Yeah, this dude has a beautiful BMW. I mean, look at that. I might have to ask him if I can take it for a little rip. Because this thing looks... Oh. Where's he at? There he is. Should I ask him if I can take his car for a rip? Do you want to drive my truck? Sure. Alright, let me get, hold on. Boom. Unlock. In. Nice startup. Thanks. And my sound is probably off, guys, so sorry. Oh, very nice. $89,000? Dude. There ain't no way, bro. I'm gonna tell him this thing can go 200. This thing... Yeah, whatever. Can go 200. Holy crap, he is flying. Game, please don't crash. This thing can go 200. Oh my lord. Dude, I thought my game was about to crash there for a minute. Right? Hold on, I'll be right back. So I just put an hour, miles per hour. MPH, miles per hour. Bruh, he is flying in this truck. I actually can't believe it, dude. He is flying. Sheesh. Excuse me. A bus. There's a big old bus. Here comes another meme. Oh, he's putting on his blinker. Nice. I guess you could say that's pretty bustin'. Not to redo my truck. I'll be right back. Sure. Oh, dude. Heck yeah. Bro. Heck yeah, bro. He said I could drive his car. Ooh. Oh, shoot. Yeah, buddy. Oh, lagging. Okay, there we go. Bro. This thing? Get on her a little bit. I don't want to go too fast, otherwise I'm gonna lag. This thing's nice, bro. I like it. Going 94 miles an hour. It feels like I'm going 50. That seems pretty legit. Alright, let's park. Like how he had it. Thanks. Nice, right? Yeah. Alright, let's get in my truck. Deep? I think he left the game. Alrighty, because his car was parked right here. Either he left or, his game crashed. I think it was a little bit of both. Oh yeah, keep them headlights on, bruh. Alright, wait. Oh, that was the last thing I said. He said, nice, right? I went, yeah, and then I went to get in my truck and he went, boop. Let's go take a look at this Tesla. Ooh, that's a nice Tesla. EVR 9999. Wasn't 3 nines like Juice WRLD's numbers? 3 nines. I can't breathe. I'm waiting for the exhale. Alright, let's see what people are saying. Oh. I think let's get to the house. And guys, thank you for that one video that I bought this truck and I drove a red SS 2023. Why did you guys like that video so much? Can you guys tell me down in the comments below, why'd you like it so much? Why, dude? Was it because it was a car meet, or why'd you like it so much? Tell me. That's a fire hydrant. Tell me in the description, comments down below. Holy crap, dude. Let's open up that. Boop. Alright. Close that. Take it out apart. Bro, this thing is nice. I love this thing. Oh, my headlights are still on. Turn them puppies off. Boom. Are they off? Yes, they are. Okay. Oh, let's go watch some TV. Well, guys, I think this was a kind of a short little video. Just wanted to get you guys out a video. So, yeah. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed. And if you did, like and subscribe. And subscribe, because we're on the road to 100,000 subscribers. And if you would like to be one of them 100,000 subscribers, subscribe today and be one of my 100,000 subscriber